Today in this video we will see how to create Snapchat account. Just click on sign up, continue, select allow, enter first and last name Rajput, click on sign up and accept, select your date of birth, select the date of birth by CNIC, enter username. I enter username Mujahid Rajput, click on continue, enter strong password. I enter strong password, wait 2 seconds, verify by your phone number. I enter phone number and one code get from your mobile number, enter the code you receive, add 5 friend, just I add some friend, click on add, turn on allow, here type. You can easily create your account. Good luck, see you in the next video. Goodbye.